What's up, guys? We are headed to a race. So we got this new rebuilt carb and engine. I'm gonna put this baby on the cart. We're racing this weekend, so a lot of stuff to do. You'll be able to see some of the stuff I'm rocking with. The engine requires everything. Gotta connect it to the chain, sprocket, carb, intake, and we also gotta put in wheels. We're doing testing. I think these should be good for testing tomorrow. They got enough meat on them. They'll be fine with us. Alright. Those on later. Let's get this engine locked in. So.
Alright, now that we have the engine on, we got to bolt it on, and so I'm putting some music actually in the background because I like to rock out to some music. So I couldn't find the 8 T-handle, so I finally found that, and that's just me showing how clean those bolts are, because whenever I take the engine apart and all the back end apart, I make sure I actually clean everything so well. And right there I'm talking about how clean that chain is, because I dip that chain into cleaning solution into like a water bottle and have it sit overnight and then shake it every other day for about a week and just make sure to get all the crap out. And the chain is just so clean. I'm putting together the sprocket and the sprocket carrier, which is actually it's a pretty big deal, because it ensures that we don't get any chain pops when we're pushing over those sausages and the rumble strips on the track. I've already had it aligned, so I had it aligned before when I took the engine off to clean it and take the entire back end off. So I'm just running it through, but I need to grease it up. Doing some light tightening, not fully tightening, because once I get to the track for testing and tuning, I need to adjust the engine a little bit. Now I'm putting together the airbox and the filter for the carb. We're going to put that on real quick here, and then I'm going to start wiring up the pedal wire to the engine after I put on the exhaust. That I was also talking about how clean that exhaust is. WD-40, guys. Spray it down. You take like an 1800 grain and wipe it down with WD-40 and let it sit with cellophane wrap around it so it doesn't rust and just keeps things all juicy. So I need to wire it up. I'm also putting the wheels on, the hubs on, and I was asking, actually I forgot what size the hubs needed to be, how many spacers, so I went inside and asked my son, and he told me, because he knows the setup. We're almost done.